vlogging.
Two, three. Oh, is that thing? Look. Sorry.
What? Just go down. Good morning, you guys. So we just finished working out. We did legs today. We actually worked out at his gym. He did 2 of my workouts and I did 2 of my workouts. And now we're just gonna go get eggs and then we're gonna go to his place because his mom prepared breakfast for us. We actually did fasted workout today because I usually do that. Like I can't work out when I just ate. Or
I can't work out with no food.
Exactly.
I was about to pass.
So I think he was about, yeah, he looked like he was about to pass out, but that was like a normal thing for me. So yeah, it's like extra challenge for you, right? Yeah, but that was good. So yeah, we're just gonna go get eggs at No Frills and then we're gonna go at his place.
We need to go all the way to the top.
This guy is literally all the way there. I'm still here. Oh my god!
There's like a little mountain there. I avoid it because I don't have flies in it.
How was it?
Can I go for this one?
Yeah.
The big one? Yeah.
This guy. No. No. It's a poppity. Poppity boo. I got something from Uniqlo and from Shoppers, and now we're heading back. Thank you so much. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. It's Feb 9 and I think it's, what time is it? It's 5 p.m. I had so much fun, but I'm so tired that I decided to just like stay here in the car while waiting for him to get Sprite. So if you're watching this, Shawn, I'm sorry. So today is Feb 10, it's 9 a.m. and I'm just doing some meal prepping at the moment. I wasn't able to meal prep yesterday. It was because I was so busy yesterday and I was so tired when I got home. But yeah, I'm just doing it now so I can be prepared for the upcoming week. After this, I'm just gonna go take a shower. Probably gonna go to the library today to study because I'll also have a midterm on Thursday, which is also the day of the Galentines. So we have a lot of things going on for this week, but I'm excited and I'm happy. We got cookies. Angel got two, so I just copied her. I just finished. Oh my gosh. Let it go, let it go.
Nakikita yun naman ko kasi natin. Hindi naman nila ako maiintindihan.
Rona is cleaning. Good morning, guys. We're supposed to have Galentine today, but because of the snowstorm, I think it's not happening anymore. Today is Feb 13. It's 10:15 in the morning, and we just finished shoveling outside with my roommates. I was with Rona and with Angel. We had so much fun, even though it was so tiring. It was so cold. I didn't even notice that the time just flew by really quick. Also, our Galentines today and the research midterm is both cancelled because of the snowstorm last night. The roads right now are just not safe to drive at. My roomie, Angel, she made us this cute little Valentine's gift and it has our names on it. This one's Rona's. This is mine, literally my complete names from Angel, Bianca, K, DG.
There you go. They were about to celebrate Valentine's Day. Thank you for them. Another Valentine's Day for us to celebrate together for more.
Okay, let me try the pancake. Oh, you know what? Let me try the soup first. What?
Nothing's. It's my first time eating this without burning my tongue.
Because I don't want to
It's always like burns my mouth, right? It's loud because we're surrounded with students. Actually, I'm surrounded with students.
I'm so student.
Wait, where's my keys? Where's my keys?